Thank you guys all for coming here today and for planting trees with us. This is a great partnership that I always look forward to. Today, I think one of the things I want us to reflect about as we're planting trees is what does it mean to be a good steward of the land? Like, we don't own this land here, but we're all getting to participate in stewardship today, and we're all collectively going to be planting hopefully about 370 trees today. Yeah, and that's a really beautiful thing. But just like take some time to be out in nature today, enjoy the day, hang out with your coworkers, and we're gonna be replanting forests.
Well, we're just out enjoying some sunshine here and planting some trees, helping the environment, some bonding time with some fellow teammates, and just having a great time out here.
Yeah, just here today planting trees with the Orkin family. It's a big team building day, and yeah, we're just trying to give back to the environment. We just keep working up the river and looking for new properties to plant, so we just keep trying to serve them to get the trees in the ground. Seeing the growth of the trees after we come back year after year and just seeing the difference that's been made just makes a huge impact on us. And as the team just looks back and reflects on what we've done together, it really plays a big part in the culture of what we're doing and why we're doing it.
This is Dale Kurt from Orkin Canada. Very fun day for all of our co-workers here along the banks of the Pine River. We're doing some work to help the environment. Big problem with a lot of rivers is erosion, and it makes it worse for the fish for spawning habitat. So planting trees all along the riverbank helps to prevent that erosion. So we have 27 of our Orkin Canada co-workers here today. We've planted 390 trees so far. Pretty amazing. It's a really feel-good moment. We're helping the environment. Once these trees grow up, it's going to be habitat for a variety of different insects that'll all be falling into the river and providing food for the fish as well. So it's really neat. This is our 4th year in a row that we've done this. It's just a real feel-good moment that we're helping the environment. And big thanks to all of our Orkin co-workers for coming out today and putting their time to help.